the humming of the air, the intoning of the thunder. The strains of the waves are all recitations of grandeur, the chanting of the rains. The warbling of birds are all glorifications of mercy, allusions to reality. The sounds of things are all sounds of existence. I too exist, they say. The silent universe suddenly finds voice. Don't suppose us to be lifeless. O chattering man, in its entirety, the universe is a lofty orchestra. Through the light of belief its recitations, its glorifications, are heard, for its wisdom rejects the existence of chance. Its order repulses it. In unison they banish doubt.